Well, that's weird because the old barrier actually had a missing piece of skirt right there as well. This one doesn't. I know it's not like a thing that they're made with. So maybe it is the old barrier and they've just cleaned it very well, but I highly doubt they go around cleaning the barriers because this one hasn't. It might just be a coincidence that that piece of skirt's missing as well because it's where they hit, where the barrier hits the most. Because the skirts are definitely stiff and it looks newer. So yeah, something's been done with it. Just quickly, I had a thought. They could have replaced that whole end of the barrier across to there, but then shoved the old end on, because if you see there's a bit of vinyl missing there. So I reckon if they had a spare one of these and put it along, but then put the old end on, but because the skirts look brown on that side, but then they're white on the other side, because these are all really old. So they could have just shoved the old end on and put a new rest of it if they didn't have the spare parts.